Stop by Georgia Watersports today and pick out the pontoon boat of your dreams. We offer Sylvan and Sun Chaser pontoon boats with dependable Yamaha outboard motors. Before you make a $5,000 mistake at another dealer, check out our unbelievably low prices. You can also check out all of the boats we offer at GeorgiaWatersports.com. Georgia Watersports is conveniently located just south of Lake Sinclair on Highway 441 in Milledgeville, Georgia. We have everything from repair parts to water skis in stock in our shop and have a full service center to repair all makes and models of watercraft. Stop by Georgia Watersports today and let us help get you on the water.